Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is
Welcome to Drake Landing. Here in OKOTOKS, this beautiful property gives you perfect walking paths, parks across the way, and none other than mountain views. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Previous show home, meaning all the upgrades. Let's go see it.
1, 2.
Now, I don't want to bore you with statistics on this beautiful house. As you can see, it's a previous show home, so you have all the upgrades, 9-foot ceilings, built-in sound, hardwood floors connecting it all. But my favorite part is this west-facing backyard, abundance of natural light, and stunning mountain views from everywhere in the house. You're not going to want to miss the absolute size of the upstairs.
From the top, let's go.
Just spectacular. The upgrades, the features, absolutely unreal on this beautiful corner lot. Now, if you want more information on this house, information's below. Give us a shout, and we'll see you on the next one.